What is going on, everybody? Tristan Adams with Modern Design Aquascaping, and we are here for an amazing project here in Maryville, Tennessee. So I'm going to give you guys a quick lowdown before we get rolling so you guys can see what's happening. We peeled all the grass and everything back. We have our blank canvas, but we have one of the most advanced 20 by 15 ponds, 3 feet deep, that we have ever built that is happening here. So the reason it is so advanced, we not only have boulders on the upside of 7,300 pounds being one of our heaviest contenders on this thing, but we have a zero edge out of the bottom of the 20 by 15 pond, and we actually have a wetland filter going up towards the top of those cedars right there. So all of the filtration is upgraded to the max, boulder sizes upgraded to the max, fish caves, interaction stones, underwater lights, driftwood, aquatic plants, new koi coming in. This thing is going to be wild. So you guys stay tuned, and we're out for now. Guys, so we have some very interesting stuff. We had a great day yesterday. Rock pad in the hole. We are ready for this liner, but this liner is not ready for us. So you always want to check for factory defects. This is a little more than a factory defect if you ask me. So once we peeled this, I saw a hole in the geotextile that is right here to protect the liner. It does not protect from equipment forks. So this arrived in this condition. If you want to come here and maybe take a look at this thing, you can see we're probably 6 or 7 layers deep with holes into our giant liner here. So yes, that's something we're going to have to patch on many levels. Yeah.